amore, amicia, or should I say, a night of love and friendship. A glorious evening to each and every one of us. In front of you is a beautiful starter. My name is Ivy Stars Carbonell, 19 years of age, who hails from Andalusian City. But tonight, I'll come to you from the bridges to the world of all goddesses and the heart of the all beauty queens in the universe, Brazil. Thank you.
Hello world, hello Fahrenheit. I'm aging defense leader as well as aging scholar studying at University of the East at Caloocan. But tonight, please allow me ang nagpatibok sa puso ng dalawang hangs na sina Piolo Pascual, Samuel B. at ang kasexmate ni Kuya, Miss Myla Well. Mauupulisan nilang apat na sulong sa vlogging ito, estandang pala. Na hindi po ako kasing guwapo at macho ng mga boyfriend ninyo, pero baka isa na po ako sa mga pinatuwag ninyo. But tonight, I'm proud to present my beautiful country, Miss China, from north, east, west, south, going to Quiapo, Divisoria.
From the island of love and beauty, where the goddess Aphrodite was born. My name is Hermaphrodite, the goddess of all goddesses. Dahil sa tubig, sa lupa, at sa alapa, may nag-iisang sinira niyo ang punchline. Bow before me, Cyprus!
Ako, punong-puno ng gana, lumaking masigla, matibay at malakas sa tulong ng Children's Crucible. Dahil pag gana eat, gana grow. I am the Black Goddess of Wisdom. I am the Black Athena. And I come to you tonight as the Black US First Lady. My name is Michelle Obama Bin Laden of Montana. And I'm proud to represent my country, Ghana.
Cassandra Waldorf, not your ordinary scholar, but a certified NSO goddess. A woman of beauty is a woman with real figured body. A woman with beauty is a woman of substance. Again, my name is Blair Cassandra Waldorf, representing the beautiful country of Guatemala.
The beauty of thy country represents the beauty of my personality. This is Nicole Ann Springfield, 19 years old, and I do believe in the saying that if others can, why can't I? Once again, this is Nicole Ann Springfield, and I'm very proud to represent my country, Honduras. Thank you.
Mexico. Some things are not meant to be, but everything is worth a try. Ladies and gentlemen, my father is a high-ranking military official, and he taught me how to be kind, to be sweet, and be a good son. But for tonight, I'm his good daughter. Ladies and gentlemen, good evening and hola. I was baptized in the name of Alvin Clyde, but for this pageant, allow me to make it sexier, a little more seductive. The goddess of Mexican TV series, Miss Marimar Perez. Na nagsasabing, ako'y isang tunay na Mexicano sa isip, salita, at sa gawa. It Bulaga. All the way from the toughest capital of the world, Arriba, Mexico.
Namibia.
I'm a simple girl with a simple dream, and that is to become a beauty queen. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen in between. My name is Sheila Marie Sitangco, 18 years of age, who hails from Sampaloc, Metro Manila. From Namibia, now conquering Fahrenheit. I leave these words to you. I may not be the most beautiful, smartest, and sexiest in your eyes, but I think I'm a true goddess of all goddess. Thank you.
Philippines.
Tayo po'y tumayo, ilagay ang kanang kamay sa ating kaliwang dibdib, at sabay-sabay bigkasin ang ating lupang hinirang. Tayo! Naniniwala po ako, mabuti pa ang ice cream, inyong dinidilaan. Mabuti pa ang ulam, inyong tinitikman. Mabuti pa ang straw, inyong sinusupsop. Kayo mga taga-Fahrenheit, kailan nyo kaya ako didilaan? Kailan nyo kaya ako kakainin? At kailan nyo kaya ako susupsupin? Standing in front of you is a 19-year-old stunner who hails from Makati City. My name is Maria Sofia Argon, and I'm proud to represent the beautiful 7,107 beautiful islands of the Philippines. Naniniwala po ako, heto po, makinig kayo. Isang wise tip mula kay Lumen, mga parokyano ng Fahrenheit. Sa halip ng babae at manlalaki, mamakla, sing sarap pero di sing mahal. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Romania.
Ayaw mo na naman. A pleasant good evening to everyone. Standing before you is a 25-year-old stunner. Nakatira sa walled city of Intramuros. Tambay ng pureza, tirador ng starlight. My name is Chantal Celeste, and I am the goddess of seduction. Ayaan nyo, akitin ko kayo sa pamamagitan ng mukha ni Gretchen Barreto, masas ni Jackie Lublanco, at hubog ng katawan ni Palito.